Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Your boy is back today, feeling refreshed, energized. Yesterday was not my day, being honest with you. I was tired, but today got some good sleep, had a good meal last night. We're ready to make some money on this fresh Friday for us today. So, Legacy, how are we feeling today?
Feeling ready to get back into it.
You and me both. You and me both. Today's going to be a good day. Today's going to be a good day. Alrighty. Let's get on these charts. Alrighty there. Is the music good for you guys?
Yeah,
for the audio? Alrighty.
Makes it spot on. I don't see your sombrero yet.
Oh, that's next week. That is next week, sir.
Well, you can try it on for size.
I still have to get it. Me and my girl, we were in a store yesterday. I'm like, I gotta get a sombrero. She's like, why do you need a sombrero? I told the stream on Thursday of next week I'm gonna wear a sombrero. So gotta get it. I'm a man of my word. What can I say?
Mm-hmm.
So sitting above the close from yesterday, which was 287. 287 for the close from yesterday.
And we're below the EMA and the VWAP.
We're below that EMA and the VWAP. We do have a pivot point down at 280. 280 for that pivot point. So we're going to be just waiting, trying to see what we actually get today. Not Russian today, not Ukrainian either. But we're going to get it done. We're going to get it done today.
Hey, you never answered my DM in the group, man. You like how I'm watching now.
Oh, 100%. 100%. Yeah, I appreciate that heads up. I already saw it, which for me, that stuff doesn't, as we continue to grow, that's not going to concern me.
Yeah, no, I mean, I like to bring things to your attention, no judge, and then you just like, because you're doing a lot of things, man. You got to buy a sombrero. You can't be in front of the computer all the time.
You're right. Those sombreros are pretty stressful to find, especially a good one. No, can't get a bad sombrero.
Mm-hmm.
I look like it's dropping. That's down. It's on the downtrend, boy. That's the one. Look like it's about to touch yesterday's low. Damn near right there.
I say we're probably going to come down, tap that 287 level, test that pivot point.
I said that.
And once we test that pivot, if we don't hold that pivot, we're going to shoot back up here. But if we lose that pivot, we can start a little waterfall. We're just going to have to see what we get. Let's see if I have enough time to do this before market open.
You're buying like 82 evals.
No, not buying 82 evals. Honestly forget what that was. I'll try this one. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. Welcome, welcome. We're getting ready. We got 5 more minutes before this market opens here. You're tuning in with the Legacy Wealth Society today as well. We're all excited to be here, all excited to make some money. And we're just trying to get paid today to enjoy our weekend. That's all we're trying to do.
Get paid today.
Just trying to get paid. That's it.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got Jordan here with me, so he wants to see like how you put the bear flags and bull flags.
Okay.
How you see the setup, how we set it up, and then how we enter. And...
Okay. Is he trying to? Does he want to learn the strategy, or he's just like dabbling right now? That's the question.
I'm trying to learn the strategy, but not through the ninja trade. I'm trying to see if does it work with the trading views also?
Yeah, it works on any platform. I just use Ninja Trader.
Yeah. Cause I'm trying to see like if you waiting for this, but I know you more like scalp. I'm more like go for long, but I see y'all scalp, so I'm trying to see what if I can get into a little scalping with the NQ also. But it's gonna be harder for me on Robinhood because you know how Robinhood let you do the things Ninja Trader do. So I'm just trying to see the strategy, see if it'll work with me on Robinhood and on Trading Views at the same time.
Yeah, it does work on TradingView. Because I've traded slightly, like when I was in Portugal, I was using TradingView and Tradeovate when I was out there at different times, depending upon how my computers were working. But it definitely works out there, or works on TradingView. My recommendation is for your Renko bars on TradingView, just to get it to the lowest setting as possible.
The lowest setting on possible
as possible for the Renko bars, yeah.
And on the Trading View, I'm looking at NQ, right?
Yeah. Market's getting ready to open here.
I see NQ1 mini futures, then I see NQ2 mini futures.
It should be on TradingView, NQ1.
Okay. All right.
Welcome to the party, sir. Welcome to the party. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys since market's getting ready to open. Ever since getting back from Portugal, yes, I've been carnivore, but I've been doing like a dirty carnivore. Not gonna lie lately. But I got
fried food.
I got back on track.
Chick-fil-A, sucker.
I finally got back on track, and it feels really, really good. Not gonna lie. Like body. I woke up refreshed today.
No more fried ass Chick-fil-A, sucker.
No more Chick-fil-A. No more Chick-fil-A. But whenever my family wants Chick-fil-A, I always tell them we're going to get it on Sunday.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see if they get it.
Well, they go to KFC instead.
Look like you're shooting up.
Market's getting ready to open here. Less than 30 more seconds, gentlemen. We're ready. We're primed and ready. I got the tropical shirt. I'm preparing for next week. Just ready to make some money.
Look, it came up and hit the VWAP almost.
Yep, we almost tapped it. We almost gave that VWAP a nice little up. There we go. There's the love tap. Oh, alrighty. Alrighty, through that VWAP there.
It went through it. Guys going back down. Market's open.
Good morning, Moose. Welcome to the party, sir. We're just vibing up today. So I hope you're ready to vibe with us because
Absolutely.
we're trying to make some money a day.
Some money. So he
Absolutely.
needs to add some pesos to his Mexican vacation payout.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Just that. Right through the VWAP.
I'm most likely going to be holding a little bit today, just waiting because gotta get back to the roots. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get back to the roots. I was waiting on my Tradeify accounts to trade at 9:45, but I'm most likely going to try. Keyword is try. I don't know, that momentum right there is telling me not to. Wow, look at that rip up right there.
Damn.
Be careful, be careful. We have no news today. No news today.
Ripped up today, though.
So just push through. Just push through yesterday's high.
Is it
The overnight high was 355.
Oh, 355.
Yes, sir. 355 for the overnight high.
Look how much points something.
Let's see if we build out a flag here.
Oh, no, look. See where I took the trade at?
Hey, Duane, when do you leave?
I leave next Thursday, so I need you sliding for Wednesday if possible.
So do you still want to do this Saturday or wait till Wednesday?
I will wait till Wednesday so it could be like super fresh. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want that thing so crispy. They're gonna be out there calling me El Jefe. Okay.
Oh, yeah. It's to be so crispy. It's like all that fried chicken you be eating.
I am not eating fried chicken.
Hey,
That's-
if you're going to eat it grilled.
Oh, listen, I'm gonna be in Meat Paradise next week. All you can eat, whew. And I don't have to pull the card out because I already paid for everything. So all inclusive. We'll take it.
Right. They give you the bands too, like you have the armbands or the wristbands, so you could just whatever you're doing, it's like you don't have to worry about money, right?
Well, the whole resort's all inclusive resort. So anyone that's there, it's all inclusive. So
Yeah.
for about $5K, it better be all inclusive. So got this pullback happening here.
You know, the pullback.
Look on that 1 minute, man. Like a big bull. getting ready to form.
Yeah, we're waiting here. We're waiting. We're 3 minutes in. No rush.
Oh no, wait till that next candle come out. It's gonna be green. Come up a little bit. Let it form that flag.
I was wondering what was happening there. Let me see. Let me fix that. Bear with me. I don't have my timers on my charts here, which I do not like. Let me disconnect, then reconnect. Because we need those timers. All right, timers are on. All right, we're back. All right. Timers are back on my chart, so we're good now. Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone that's tuning in today. Joining us today on this fabulous Friday. We're excited. We're ready to make some money. What are you guys trading on YouTube? Are you trading in Q? Like, that's what we're trading. Like, what's y'all's vibe today? Probably gonna come back down, touch that VWAP.
Look at those top wicks though.
Yeah, that means those sellers. The sellers on the top wicks means selling pressure. Only 935, 935. We're waiting. Bulls trying to start to push here.
That jump in that trade gotta be.
Just waiting for the confirmation here.
What we getting? The bull?
The bulls are trying to push. We got these wicks on these candles. But we had that push down there. We could end up getting a bear flag right here on that 1 minute.
Right.
So I'm just holding. I'm just waiting. We got these long wicks on these candles right here. So the bulls are trying to push. As soon as I put my line there, they said, oh, Duane put his line on the chart. Can't go that way. So get ready. Let's see if we get a rocket ship here. Oh, starting to push.
See where Duane jumped in there? That line, right?
Quick 300 right there. Quick $300 trade.
Should have stayed, Duane.
I should have, would have, could have. But I'd rather lock in my profit.
Right.
Because it was not at the 945 yet.
You should have stayed, Duane.
382.
That would have been 13.
382.
Good job, sir. Good job.
Good job.
Make sure you post this stuff in the discussion, gentlemen. It's been real quiet.
Oh, look at that. I already heard it. That gotta be Moose or Steve. He is shooting up.
Let's see if we get another bull flag.
It'd be good to build out that flag.
I'll actually rotate to the next account because I gotta log back in. What's this?
Go up.
I need this to load quickly so I could switch over to my next account. Don't leave me. Don't go to the moon without me. Wait. Do a little pullback while this loads. Quick.
So it looks like the next pivot point is like at 400. So it's like whole number and the pivot point, right?
Yep.
A double magnet.
What do we got? What number is that? Coming up on 940 here. Still before that 15-minute range is set.
Oh, Dwayne, I was talking to my brother-in-law that like he's like he's into like a lot of stuff, and I was telling him about this, so I told him to reach out.
Okay. More than welcome to join. More than welcome to join. Getting that pullback. We got these wicks. We got these buying wicks today. So the bulls definitely want to keep pushing this bad boy up. And it's crazy. All this is still going on with the government still shut down, correct? They haven't.
Yep.
I haven't checked the news. So the government still shut down.
They're still wanting like trans people to have like condoms in Nairobi or something.
Oh, nice, nice. Very important for the U.S. People to be paying for. You know what I'm saying? Like, gotta
No,
love
like you
it.
said, all that crap that the left is asking for is just lying in people's pockets.
Yep.
You know what I tell my son? My son, I have a 13-year-old in middle school. Then I have another one, an 18-year-old in high school. The 13-year-old, he says something about, I don't know, boys and girls and whatever. And I said, listen, let me tell you something. I said, all that shit you see on TV, it's only for TV. There's only boys and girls.
Oh yeah, man. There's like no
Can't pay the other side, I told him.
grooming aside. You know what I mean? Because there's a big push on that stuff.
Yeah.
You know, they're like trying to groom people to think it's all right, but man, that ain't right.
Quick story. I cut hair, obviously. And one time I had a female come in, and you know, she was gay, so it was cool. Like I no problem with that. But the part of the story was that she was like, I identify as, right?
Uh,
Yeah.
She's like, I identify as they. I swear to you, I stepped back and I look at her. I was like, so how many people are in there? And then to fuck with her, because she was like very adamant about me calling her they. And I don't like that. Like whatever you believe, you can be you're a pigeon. That's fine. You still look like
Yeah,
a
yeah.
believe you're a pigeon.
So she was very adamant. And I said, so when you go to parks, do you pay multiple passes? And when you're gonna pay me for this haircut, how many of you are in there so I can do the math and charge you? And she was so mad she never came back.
Well, that's like what I told my kids earlier when it came up. I just said I could call myself the chic Arabic, and that's on me, but nobody else has to go along with that.
You know, like why do I have to believe you or have to see what you see or you think?
Quick
I don't like
235 on that little trade right there on this funded account. Let's rotate to the next funded. We on and popping. We got these wigs, so if you're going short, be careful. Be careful. Bulls do want to hold this price.
No, I'm just waiting right now.
Yep, I'm waiting for either the rocket ship or the waterfall. But this looks almost like a textbook. I just don't like the wicks. I just don't like these wicks right here. If we didn't have these wicks, I'd be looking for a short for a bear flag.
For a bear, but what you see, a bull?
No bull yet.
Or potential bear.
Potential bear flag, but I don't like these wicks. That's my only hesitant. And we're getting ready to come up on 945 finally in less than 20 seconds now for that 945 range to be completed. So that's good news for us. $9.45 hit, and we're Hitting a whole rocket ship. Try getting 340 right there. Only got 110. It happens. It happens. Let me get ready to rotate to another account. So far, green in 3 accounts for the day. We wait some more. Let's wait for the move here.
The bulls are fighting.
Yeah, we got these wicks today. We got these wicks on the bottom of these candles, so the bulls are trying to push today, which I'm fine with. I'll go to the moon. I'm fine with going to the moon. Because the cool thing is, even when we're building out a bull flag, what do we already know has to happen for a bull flag? The market has to come down slightly to push up.
Yeah.
So when we see a flag building, it's not the A++ setup, but we could take a quick scalp on that slight pullback for the build out of the bull flag, if we wanted to. Let's see if we get the momentum to keep us pushing here.
If it gets too close, it's gonna be hitting that pivot point and that whole number, hopefully.
Yeah, we're less than 20 points away from that pivot. So we could already expect that pivot to start pulling this price up here.
So far for the day, I'm up 450.
Is that in your funded? Okay, no. All right, sounds good.
What happened? What happened? I lost
I said, is that in your funded?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. What do you think? Do you think you'll be close to a payout for next week sometime?
Yeah. Hopefully by next week I'll be good with a payout.
Awesome. Awesome.
I'm not going for like the home run.
Yep, no.
Because I'd rather steady tread than run out of gas.
No, 100%. The fact that you're already up $400 for the day, I would just be honestly done for the day.
Yeah, I think I'm done because I also got to leave by 10:30, and I don't want to be caught up in a mix.
Yeah. Because just lock that forward in, come back Monday.
Yep.
Because you'll already have the trading days. Because you only need 5 trading days of $150.
Oh, okay. Nice.
But you do have to have 3,000 in your account
to be able to withdraw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got that big wick on that 5-minute.
Oh, yeah. We going down to.
Oh!
Oh.
Whoa! Hold on. Woo! That was a close one. I closed it. The market dropped instantly. Only got off that 680, but wow. Wow. Alrighty.
I was in a trade when that happened. Holy.
Yep.
Ooh.
Alrighty. No news just came out. We just dropped like that. So be careful. Be
All right.
careful, everyone.
That was a lot of energy on that.
Oh yeah. And now it looks like we're consolidating right here. So get ready. The move's coming.
Another drop.
We're getting ready to tap that 21 EMA.
And on mine, it's through the EMA.
Okay. Yeah, we're through it now. I wasn't looking
Okay.
at it right there.
Okay, cool. I just want to make sure I don't have one of those wacky.
Let's see if we build out a bear flag now, because with a dramatic drop like that, we have to.
It's trying to undo everything it did at open. I'm gonna tap the VWAP.
Yes, it did.
Waterfall.
Let's see if we get the follow through here. No, didn't get the follow through.
No, that builds a flag and then drops, man. We're ready.
Yeah, I think it's going up. Ooh. Yeah, touch that view up and went right back up.
Let's see if we get the follow through here.
Go back down.
Trying to get some speed here. Let's see if we get this follow through on this drop.
That's what we're all waiting for, baby.
If not, I'm gonna get out of this one.
What's between the EMA and the VWAP? So it's kind of like, damn.
I want to come back down, tap that VWAP.
Tap in the VWAP.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Wow, and it bounces up. Damn, we're about to start shit.
Let's see if we finally push through this VWAP. Because they're trying to break it here. They're trying to break through that VWAP.
He wants a waterfall, baby.
Waterfall, baby. Looks like a potential bear flag forming too on that 2 minute.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's about to. It wants to. I may see what this next candle look like. Well, I may jump in. Really?
Reject off that VWAP.
Rejected on the VWAP.
And look at them bottom wicks.
Let's see if this is going to be the one where we break through here. If not, I'm going to just get out of this trade.
It's right in my doodle, baby. Right in my doodle. My doodle's keeping me safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I closed out of that. Not liking that price movement right there. Disappointed. I was waiting to push through that VWAP. I was primed and ready for it. But now that I'm out, watch, that's when it's going to want to probably come back down and do it. Since I closed out. Got that big wick right now. That big wick on that 2 minute candle.
See that double one? On the wrinkles? Well, three. Those bottom wicks, man.
Yep. Showing the Bears want to push. The Bears do want to push.
Guys, I gotta get out of here.
Hey, take it easy, Lou.
All right, man. Have a good one.
All right, you too. I'll see you Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
But Wednesday I don't start that early, so
That's fine. It could be later in the day. It doesn't matter.
yeah. Once I usually start around like after I trade, so maybe like around 11:30. But I'll call you when I'm downtown, and then I'll call you, see if you're free, and then I'll head over to you.
Okay. Yeah. Anytime on Wednesday works for me. So.
All right, sounds good.
All right, man.
I'll talk to you guys later.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
Moose, You should do it while we're trading. You should do them up.
Yeah, let's see if you're right. You know what? Let's see if he can withstand pressure. All right, guys. I'll see you later.
All right, man.
All right, later.
Later.
We got less than a minute on this 5 minute candle here. So let's see what we get. Looks like a good sized bull flag on that 5 minute, but
Well, the wicks
I'm
on both
torn.
sides, they're fighting.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
10 o'clock here. Decisions. Starting to get that wick on that 5-minute candle. Took that 400 bucks right there. Could have held for longer, but rather just lock in my profit. Let's see how we act on this VWAP. We got the bear flag printing on the 5-minute. That's why I jumped in on that short. Through the VWAP.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe I should have stayed in.
Is there like Trump's not speaking on world affairs? Is he with the? I see breaking news behind you, but that could be anything.
Oh, let's see what they're talking about.
I just know with like the peace stuff going on and stuff. Maybe people are like freaking out. Markets.
Possibly.
You know what I love about Duane? I'm gonna say it. Like I'll send him a message and he'll just chill. He won't answer. He'll just do it telepathically.
All right. They're not really talking about anything yet. Let's see if we build. I want to see if we build out a bear flag now. Wants to build out a bear flag. Wants to get back below this VWAP here. Big old wick on that 5-minute candle. So far, green in 4 accounts, 1 red account today at the 5. So 4 green, 1 red. We're about to do another green on this one. So it'll be 5 green, 1 red, and I can live with that. All right, we're below this VWAP. I want to push a little bit lower from that VWAP, to be honest with you guys. Just waiting for the next move here. Patiently waiting. This is the thing about trading that no one ever talks about, is having the patience to wait. Because it's like I always say, it's easy to click the buttons. It's hard to wait for the next move. All right. Bear flag printing on that 1 minute, on the 2 minute as well. Just want to get a little bit below this VWAP. That's why I haven't jumped in on it yet. I want to get below that VWAP with some good momentum. Because we're retesting this VWAP. I want to see us lose it so that way I can jump in. because the VWAP is currently holding us up here. But once we get below it, it's on and popping. If we lose the support of the VWAP.
You mean that 328, 326 area?
That is at 330 on mine for the VWAP.
Yeah, 329.
330. Okay. We haven't lost it completely yet, so that's why I'm holding, waiting.
Potential bear flag. Ooh, looking like it.
Yeah, I just want to push below this VWAP. We keep tapping it and popping right up.
Pop right back up. Yep.
Ready for the waterfall here. Nope, just pop right back up through that 21 EMA once again. We're pinned right now between the VWAP and this 21, so. Now we're starting to push up here. Just put another wick in at one of the all right, just clear that wick. So let's just wait to see what we get, because right now we're in the middle of the 15-minute range, and we already know we don't diddle in the middle.
In the middle.
So now we gotta wait. All right, right back through that 21 EMA. Man, oh man, we gotta get away from this 21, this VWAP. But this is building out a very nice flag right here. I want these bears to just step in and just drop this bad boy.
It's the potential. Hey, we're gonna be patient and wait. Hey, yeah. Trust me, it's coming.
All we can do is be patient and wait.
Oh,
be
listen,
patient
boy,
and wait.
Drop don't come. Gonna come. Gonna come. We still at all-time high still?
We've already been making all-time highs like each session for the overnight.
Right.
So right now, all-time highs is the 388.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Well, like we about to get there.
We'll see.
I got it going to. I got a range got to like 360. It touched it though. Did it? Yeah, it touched it earlier today, the 368. I think it's on its way back up there. It tapped it and then went right back down. A potential bull flag forming right on that 2 minute, right?
I do see they're trying to build out a flag on the 2 minute, but I'm mainly looking at the higher time frame.
Okay.
Only because I feel like we'll see. Because on that 5 minute, that's more so looking like a bear flag. Just waiting here. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. We're currently up in 4 accounts, red in 1 account. So out of the 5, green in 4, red in 1. So trying to add 1 more account here today to trade on. Well, we're just patiently waiting. For the people on YouTube, where are you guys trading today? Come on, market, give us something here. We got these wicks on these 2-minute candles. Same with that 5-minute. So we honestly just need to be patient right now. This is one of those things where we can see we're consolidating. Since we're not moving that far from this price movement currently, so we're consolidating. So the move's going to happen. We just got to be ready for it. There's the VWAP. Waiting because we've been bouncing off that VWAP today. So I did not go short until we get through that VWAP. We're getting ready to waterfall. I can feel it. We just gotta get through that VWAP. That's it.
Finger on the trigger.
It's on. Listen, I'm ready.
Are you?
Yes. Let's hope it does what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, I'm confused. I didn't close. Why did that close me out? Uh-oh.
Well, you got a minute to jump in if you're gonna jump in.
Oh, okay. Gotta switch it quick now. I went on the wrong account. Like, where's that? Quick. All right, there we go.
The market's waiting for you, Duane. Hurry.
I'm back.
Thank the Lord.
We're below the VWAP. Waiting to see some good momentum here. Just tap that VWAP once again. We gotta lose this VWAP for the waterfall here. 300 on that trade right there. Want to see some better follow through, to be honest. But quick $300. This is the. Oh. Am I going to be able to re-enter?
365. $365.
Another $300 right there. Keeping it short because I don't want this thing popping back up
Well,
on me.
it could be coming to a whole number here in a second. Keep that in mind.
Yep. That 300 level.
Yeah,
Good call
just
out.
Because it's like moving, I'm just calling it out because it's like sometimes those things will sneak up on you.
That they do. That they do.
We're a team here at Legacy Wealth Society.
Hey, that's what it's about, man. Teamwork makes the dream work at the end of the day. So let's see if we get through that 300 level. Not trying to jump in and trade until we get below that 300 at this point. Because those whole numbers, listen, they like playing. They like to play.
Yes.
We tap and we'll pop up off of it. Like, just gotta be careful with those whole numbers.
Where? For real? I was looking for it. What happened?
Let's see. How low did we get there? So we got down to 303, popped right back up. That's why we're always hesitant around those whole numbers. But what do we know at this point in our trading journey, gentlemen? The market always repeats itself. So
What was it?
There's no such thing as FOMO in the land of legacy wealth.
oh, there's FOMO. There is
No,
FOMO.
sir.
The back. How they go back? They did. I saw this to the team before.
Even
Let's see if we
Jordan
build
said-
out another flag. Just patiently waiting here. People on YouTube, you guys are quiet today. What's going on? Talk to us. Are you guys up? Are you down? Or are you all around? That's the question.
Up, down, around.
Just waiting. Got another weekend, another football weekend I'm excited for. My girl's uncle's coming down. He's coming down a week early because he's going to stay with the kids when we're in Mexico.
Oh,
Well,
nice.
look at that. Market just popped right up to that VWAP again.
Pop in the VWAP.
But he'll be down, so me and her will take a couple extra date nights, everything like that since he's here. He comes just to see the kids. He doesn't come to see us. He wants to see the kids.
Yeah, no, he wants to see you. Huh? I mean, if you were a son-in-law, everybody'd love you, man.
That is true. That is true. But no, he's a great guy. Oh, through that VWAP right there. That's why we do not go short close to those whole numbers, people. The market does weird things when you get close to them. But me and my girl wants to go back to the restaurant. I'm like, okay, I guess we'll go. I'll get that 42-ounce steak again. You know, the things I do for her. You know what I'm saying? The things I do for her. Be a quick $500 dinner.
Just quick $500 dinner.
Just a quick $500 dinner. We'll take it.
The tomahawks were amazing.
Oh, their tomahawk was literally the best one I've had in Orlando. So. All right, let's see what we get here. With that pop up, how we just went through that VWAP. This is a waiting game today. Technically, I could be done for the day, not trade anymore, and go into the weekend green, but let's just see what else we could get. Who knows?
Go right back by the VWAP again.
Yeah. We're playing around that 21 EMA currently, playing around with that 21. Do you guys have any big plans for the weekend, Legacy and YouTube? Any plans for the weekend?
We're going camping.
Okay.
It'll be like right on the water. We chill.
Nice.
Just and the same as you, just my wife and myself.
Yeah, gotta get that quality time in. That quality time is so important. I'll show you guys something that your boy's tempted on doing. Tempted up. Since the market, we're just chopping everything like that. Let me log in here.
I've hit all my targets already, so I mean, I'm cool if something comes up, but I'd like to hear what you're tempted about.
And then your Pinterest or your chat history? Don't know what that is. Never even seen that. Whenever this Facebook wants to load. Yeah, one time. Oh, I've never seen this. Marty, I don't log in on my Facebook on my computer, but still. That's me. So what is this doing?
I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. this is not allowing me. I can't log out. Market's starting to push a little bit. This is so weird. Let's see what the market's doing here. We're slightly above the middle of that 15-minute range. So still be careful. There's no reason to take a trade without it actually giving us the move. With us pushing up like this, though, we did have a smaller slight bull flag there, but bear stepping in right there. All right, now that's working. All right, are we good now? Marketplace. There we go, finally. All right. That's ready for when Steve gets back. What's crack-a-lackin' YouTube? You guys are quiet today. Extremely quiet. Hurting my feelings. No one wants to talk to me on YouTube. I know I'm ugly, but I'm not that ugly. You can talk to me. Coming back down to this 21 EMA right there. All right, through that 21. Let's see if we get back down to that VWAP. We got that big selling wick on this 5-minute candle there. So, all right, there's the VWAP touch. I want to get through that VWAP. I want a waterfall. We have not had a good waterfall in quite a while.
We missed it on was it 2 days ago? I think that was that big waterfall.
Yeah. Yep.
When you left, like I want to say a couple minutes, like after you left, boom. That's when I was like, damn.
That's normally how it happens. It's always when I leave. You know what I'm saying? The market makers are, all right, Duane left. Let's drop the market now.
My favorite is when Duane does his trade line and the market makers are, okay, that is our new pivot point. Just bounce off that.
It's the worst. It's the worst, but it happens to all of us, I guess. It happens to all of us.
That's why I can make so much fun of you. Is it's happened to me, and I'm sitting there going like, what?
And you're like just hoping like you just break through it slightly, get out of it.
Yeah.
And you're like, come on.
Or the worst is when it's doing it, but it's like digging and it's like hitting like $10. And you're like, come on, at least, like, come on, get a little bit more so I can cover the, cover the fees, and then it'll like, go back and like $20 and then go back. It's like, come on, just pivot up to 80 so I could call it.
Yeah. Where's my second? I was waiting for you to come back, Steve.
Well, sorry about that. My mechanic was on the line because I ordered a new pulley it's the AC clutch, and it went out under warranty, and they sent the wrong one twice. So I was just like, I was telling them like what we need to do. Let's just bypass it right now.
Okay.
And so anyway, you know how that stuff
Yep.
goes. When
I found this boat in a Popka for sale.
okay, let's see it. I missed all that.
It's on the screen. Oh, it may not actually not be on the screen. My bad. Thought it was.
Not unless I
There
put
it is. Now it's on the
Okay.
screen. So it got this real nice bay liner. You know.
The biggest thing about boats is like make sure you have a mechanic check it because the motor is like, the motor is always a sore point on those outboards. Because
Yeah.
It's like a very, like for example, I bought one that was rebuilt like 6 months prior, and and it was just like it needed another rebuild because it was like they rebuilt it and parked it. So
Yeah.
yeah, I would just that's one of those times if you like know like a good like outboard or marine mechanic, just have them check it because that hardware, depending on if it's a 4-stroke, could be like 15 grand for that motor.
Yeah. No, that's what's crazy about boats, like with outboards. Like
Oh,
those
yeah.
motors are so expensive.
Well, they're expensive and they're very touchy. So it's
Yeah.
like, I mean, like I said, the other one was rebuilt. I did a visual on it. The carbs look beautiful. And and it wouldn't run, and it was just like, it was just because it's like driving an old Fiat or something. So
Yeah.
as long as you check that out, make sure that the water pump is pulling good. That it's like, if it's like you're running water on the dry land, it's peeing the water out good.
Yeah, we'll see.
Fluid.
I saw it, so I was tempted, like, do I go check it out? Because I know for me personally, just for the peace of mind, I would prefer to buy from a dealer.
Yeah.
So that way they already have the service people, everything like that, warranties.
Honestly, with your footing that you have, for in total respect, if I was in your position, like looking for a boat, and especially since that's not gonna be your end all boat,
Yeah.
because you're probably gonna be getting a bigger one. I'd find like somebody like a dealer that understands like your long term vision and just say, hey, I want to get like a little runabout, and then I have a goal at the end of the year too. Because you'll be able to pay a little more, but you're also going to have that even if it's used, you have that warranty implied, and you'll be building that relationship for that transaction.
No, 100%.
Because private party like marketplace stuff, like I went to look at a boat, and it was like being on the dating apps. Has anybody been on the dating apps?
I have been many, many years ago.
Well,
I mean, that's like
I'm married now. I'm married now, so this is not a
eight
current thing.
8 years ago. Yes.
I know that G is like staying quiet, so leave him out of this.
What? No, I'm here. I'm listening. Listening. I've been on them. I'll still be on them. I'll still be on them.
Okay, well listen. I wouldn't know that because I'm not looking at your profile, sucker. No, so anyway, here's the deal. You meet a girl, right? On there, you look at her picture, she looks nice, and then you go out and it's like, that was a boat. The boat looked beautiful. Then I saw it in person. That sucker's missing a couple of teeth. It was like, the picture was taken about 10 years ago. It's like so some of that stuff with the boats, like I actually drove out to Claremont with cash to buy one, and then as soon as I saw it, I was like, man, that picture was taken 8 years ago.
Yeah, that's horrible.
Hence the dating thing where you go and it's like somebody is like, you go out to meet them and you can't even recognize them because it's like, that's another story for another time, gentlemen. That's why I'm glad to be married to the right woman, because I mean it's just like I just enjoy the hell out of her and I've got to deal with any of that crap.
Yes, sir. I'm glad I haven't had be on those things as well because, man, I've heard all the horror stories from buddies. From like,
there was a book I was going to write with 7 chapters because I met like every psycho fucking thing on there. I met the person where everything was going good and they're sitting at the date and they say, they mention their ex like once because you talk about I have kids with da da da, and then you hear it a second time, and then it's like by the end of the date they've talked about that person like 18 times. It's like, oh God. And there's a person that like will chat you up and it's like the sweetest virtual girlfriend in the world, but then whenever you want to meet, they're like they always have an excuse. There's too many psychos in that place.
Oh
I
yeah.
laugh at myself because I believed I'm like it's gonna be so much more honest than going to a bar. But there you go. I'd rather be trading. The market's honest.
Yep. The market does not lie. It's gonna go up and it's gonna go down. That's it.
And I admire G even more knowing that he's out wading through that stuff. So God bless you, G.
Yes, sir.
All right, tap. Oh, through that VWAP right there. Oh,
Over the VWAP.
Hold on, will it retrace?
just put another 140 in. We lost that VWAP there very quickly.
But
That
it's
was
back
actually
up,
surprising.
back up. It's shooting right back up.
No, this is looking on this 5-minute. We got that wick. That's the only. I have not liked these wicks today.
Yeah.
That's what's kept me like hesitant.
Yeah, look at the wick on the 2-minute. It's insane. The 5-minute too.
Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy.
I do have some disclosure though. I'm gonna end my story on the apps was saying that I did meet my wife on the app, but it was just because I signed in once after like 6 months, and she was like one of the first persons I liked, and I immediately canceled out of it. So I was on for like 24 hours, and then there you go.
Hey,
So
funny.
for all the hell, for all the craziness, for all the psycho groove match things, for all the people that we had great times, but they're like, they wanted to fleece me for money and say we didn't have chemistry after they wanted to go out. And for all the people that are addicted to the next swipe because it's like gambling, you better be like Clark Gable and you know what I mean, or whatever, somebody awesome that they want to. So, but in the end, I won, and I'm glad I got out.
That's all that matters. Want this market to do something here.
He's like, get the market to do something. Steve is talking entirely too much.
No, that's where you go wrong, Steve. I enjoy the conversations.
I didn't tell you this, but like when I was like at the doctor, I had a secret person listening, and you're like, no Steve today. Yeah, no Steve today. That's why we're gonna cut it close. We don't have to deal with his ass. And then you like shut it off.
Yeah, I had to get off yesterday. I had to. I was pushing way too hard to get nowhere. And I'm like,
trying to I reached out and I messaged G, and then I even went to his Facebook profile because it popped across my screen a while ago, a big black and white. It was like a black and white trippy thing. So I was like, he's got to be on there. And I messaged the messenger. I messaged you. It's like, what happened?
yeah, I got off. I was running on like 3 hours of sleep, if that. And then each trade I took, it was just instant automatic opposite direction. So I'm like, yeah, I'm done. I didn't have the bandwidth to trade yesterday mentally.
And then after like later on, like your dancing video popped on my thing, and I thought that was hilarious. It's like sometimes you put those things out, and like the algorithm or whatever on YouTube doesn't show it, but then all of a sudden I'm like looking, and we're like, your wife is dancing, and then you're like, so I was like, please don't dance. You know what I mean?
Yeah, have no fear. I will never dance.
Well, we don't know that yet.
Let's see if we get this Bear Flags one to play out here.
Oh, when I went to the doctor yesterday, the lady that did my blood work before was talking all snooty. She was like, man, your numbers are better across the board. I was like, yeah, that's right.
That's awesome.
No, it's like she's like all of it. I can't believe it. I'm like, believe it. Cause a commotion because I'm God's chosen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
El Elyon, the most
Oh,
high
what's
God.
up? What's up, Duane? I feel like pulling the trigger, but I don't know if it's gonna go up.
Well, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I want to clear this wick at the 318. 318. I want to clear that wick.
Okay.
That's what I'm looking at too. I didn't have it as dialed in, but like 15.
Whoa. It look like it go. Whoa. There we go. Oh, come on, bitch. There we go. Come on.
We just need the follow through.
It's coming. Come on, y'all. Ooh, come on. Come on, Betsy.
Come on. Yes.
Come on, let's get through this 318. Or else I'm getting ready to close this one.
Same here. Just like that.
Yeah, I closed out.
Is Jordan trading with us? There's two people trading in G's house.
Yeah, he went outside for a walk.
Oh. We're running that channel, but I'm not too sad about it because I got 385 in the bank right now on that one thing, and that's, you know, I could go more, but it's pretty nice.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
Well, no, I mean, for a daily goal, I think that's pretty good.
No, 100%. And you try doing that each and every day, you're good.
Yeah, no, and that's what I'm working on. And I was explaining to my brother because he's a very professional guy. I mean, he's like executive. I mean, seriously. So I've known it, like he like represents all these businesses and does marketing and things. And I'm like, even with your schedule, if you can just give me like, you know, just check it out. So I told him about the live broadcast and how it's recorded, and because I think he'd like it. You'd like his energy too.
Yeah. No, that's great.
He's like, the people that are just like the movers and shakers.
Mm-hmm.
So he's like that. He's the guy that bought my GTO when I sold it. He used to own like a '68 Shelby that
Nice.
he sold. He has some nice hardware.
Right in the middle of the 15-minute range from this morning. Come up on, we got 11 o'clock in 15 minutes. So just clean that up a little bit there.
My goodness.
All right, so we're clearing these wicks here. We just cleared a couple of them.
So clear. Okay, so it definitely cleared the first day of wicks. Where is our next target? Like 70?
With how the bears just stepped in right there.
I don't see it. I'm just saying if it conceivably did.
The next wick that I want to see as clear as the 370 wick.
I just said that. Did you? How?
No,
often
you
is
did. You
that?
did. I just pulled it up on my chart. Relax. It's
I just thought
okay.
you'd be proud of me. I was figuring it out, Papa.
We've literally been in this 15-minute range for the entire day so far today.
Now that's what I call a 15-minute range.
So the breakout of this range will be massive. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, because you know what? I believe it because there's been a lot of action within it. Like sometimes it's just creeping, but there's been like some dynamic movement, but it's been tight. So if it springs, it's gonna go.
I want to see another flag. Let's see if we get a bear flag, a bull flag, potentially on that 5-minute. Bear stepping in hard right there. Tapping that 21 EMA.
Tapping the VWAP.
All day today, we've had these big wicks on these candles, but we've literally just hung out in this 15-minute range. So give it a little bit more patience. I actually got to get off today at 11:05 today because I had to run around town before my dentist appointment at 1 o'clock today. So gotta handle all that. I did get some really nice suits yesterday from Mexico, so I'm excited.
Oh, where did you go again? You were saying that.
I have a guy that works at K&G in Ocoee.
Okay.
That I always go to him for suits because he's literally the guy my ace when it comes to suits.
So he'll get you the right cut to make you look good.
For me, I spend more on alterations than the actual suit. So like yesterday, just my alterations alone cost $300.
Oh wow!
They're literally making a whole new suit from a suit. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But
you just take like a bolt of fabric.
Pretty much. What I'm actually thinking about doing, because not this trip to Mexico, but I'll probably fly back in November or into this year actually to Mexico to get some custom suits made, because over there for a nice high quality suit, it's between $300 and $500 for a custom suit.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking about doing that just so I have some like suits that are actually made just for my body style. You know what I'm saying? It because it's pretty. Oh, that's my landscaper. I'll be right back, gentlemen. I gotta open the gate.
Yeah, it's tapping the VWAP, baby. Come on, G, talk to me. G, are you there?
Ugh. All right, we didn't go anywhere when I was gone. Great.
Well, it was looking like it was gonna build out a nice bull flag, but then it just decided its head start heading back up like it's been doing the entire time. So the henceforth, we're just bouncing in place. I mean, you're not the only one that's like taking the scalps right now.
Yeah.
I think Moose should do your hair as you're trying to trade. He's like, sit still, and you're like, wait, I gotta trade. And G is muted. I was trying to talk to him, but I was only talking to the music.
Oh. Unacceptable.
I just want to say, like, how much you put in the time every day with this stuff. You're fostering us. I appreciate it. I appreciate you very much for what you do.
No. I appreciate you appreciating this. I'm just happy it's helping people. Like, I'm excited for Moose, for him next week. If he stays consistent, be able to get his first payout.
I appreciate you.
Because I want to see you guys get your a payout this month as well.
I'm working on it.
We need some follow through here. In either direction. Doesn't matter to me. Because this is extremely tight. Looking at this 5 minute. An extremely tight range that we've been in. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome to the stream. We're hanging out. We got probably another less than 10 minutes because Your boy has to get off. He's green in multiple accounts. Red in one. Well, there. What was that? Alrighty.
Oh.
Wow. What in the what? What just happened?
Turn on the news, man. What just happened?
That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Wow.
What?
I'm so lost right now. I am so lost right now.
When it said your boy was ready, had to get off, I didn't realize that's what you meant. Holy Lord. What?
It's still going. What is this?
Turn on your news thing, man. Did Trump just like bomb Japan? What?
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's all I can say is wow. Do not jump in on this, people. Do not jump in on this.
Oh, I got a confession. I did jump in on my sim account. I got 435 of them.
Wow, and we're just tanking right now. What in the world? And it's still going.
Is Powell and Trump singing a duet?
Hold on.
Well, so much for the middle.
I'm so lost. Like,
What just happened?
like, what?
And it's still going. And there's nothing on, like Fox News has nothing.
Like, yeah, no, I don't.
I'm looking. I'm just trying to see if there's any breaking news. And Fox is the first one, and it's just some stupid professor.
And this thing's still trying to dump. Wow. Wow.
Hey, what? Money cometh.
This is where it's like, it hasn't even stopped yet. It's 11 o'clock, but wow. This thing's still dumping.
This is terrifying. What? Okay, so Duane, you were gonna tell us what momentum looks like on the Renko bar. Would you like to show what it
Well,
means?
this is something you can't even trade right now.
This looks like tell me as soon as you figure out what's going on, because this is insane.
Like, something like this, definitely size down if you're trading.
I'm not touching it. I did it on my what in the world?
I'm so, wow.
The only thing I'm seeing is the ceasefire, and that's not gonna like cause this to go all of a sudden.
No.
I'm just trying to see if there's any like anything that's popping up.
This is crazy. Let me hold. Still hit. Oh my goodness. This is crazy.
You definitely can't trade with ATM strategy because you'll wipe out like immediately. It'll be like click. Okay, I just
I want to put a short on so bad right now.
I do too, but it's like bottling lightning.
Like, this is crazy.
So is this like you saw when the first tariff stuff started happening?
Yeah. Oh my. What is? Yes, but this is even crazier.
It just, to me, it's like somebody made like a simulation just to be funny. You know what I mean?
Like, yeah. Wow. Well, don't know what to say, to be honest with you guys.
Come on, I always look for you for all the answers.
Well, this is just absolutely crazy. Like, this drop is wild. G, are you there, G? G!
He's probably out dancing because he made $10,000 off the last trade.
This was a Eva. I tried.
What did it just blow up or what?
Pretty much. I didn't blow up, but I hit my.
Oh, your 1200.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one good time to get into those micro contracts.
But this is honestly one of those times when I'm getting another eval with Tradeify real quick, since that one's locked out. Only because once it populates here, let's see.
Hey, it's starting to maybe breathe a little bit in terms of the range, so let's see.
This is the time to be able to pass them quick.
Well, like that last, the candle size is finally starting to normalize a little bit.
Yeah.
So.
Disconnect. Creatify. Why is it not? What is this? Yes, I'm not a robot. Never seen that before. Oh, okay. Trying to get this thing to load. All right, it's loaded. No, it did not load. What is going on? Why is it making? Yes, authorize. I'm confused. Like, this market is going so crazy. It's not even loading my Tradeify. I had disconnect.
Oh yeah, now it's like.
Yeah, now it's not even letting me. Ah, that's so trash.
Is there like a definitive source you could go to right now on Google and see what the heck is going on? Because there's obviously something going on.
Yeah. I'll try Googling it. China made a sinister.
Yo, what the hell is going
something
on?
with China potentially.
What is going on?
Well, there he is. Welcome to the party, friend.
Nah, trust me, man. I just blew an account with this shit. Like, this is crazy. I was like, whoa. I'm scared to get back in.
I'm not scared. My issue is I want to get in right now, but it's not allowing me to even get back on my Tradeify. Which is so frustrating right now.
What about you, Steve?
I did well. I got 435 on one trade before just to start going crazy. Now I'm just trying to wait for it to chill.
I'm not waiting for anything. I want to get in on this, but it's not allowing me to even.
I gotta be quick, bro.
I gotta be quick. Gotta be cunning. I told Ice Cube to leave the car running.
All right, let me actually close completely out of this because it's not loading.
Well, see NBC and see what happens.
What do you mean?
It just froze on my screen. What in the heck?
No, it said too many login attempts when that was my first login.
Well, no, on my screen it just stopped for a second, like everything just.
Yeah.
They know what they doing. They don't want nobody to make no bread, dog. They know what they doing.
Massive increase on tariffs. Let's get it. Yeah, buddy. Woo.
You jumped in?
No, I'm loading everything up. Your boy Val jumping though.
I'm about to see. I'm too, man. Listen, man. This thing going. I don't know whether to jump in a buy or a long or a short, man. It says Dow drops 270 points in rapid move after Trump says China becomes hostile. Cancels excise.
Too many incorrect login attempts. Nothing's changed. What? That's how much this market's crashing. Tradeavate's not even working. Let me see. Tradeavate.
I'm about to eat one, man. So this market going, it's shooting back up now.
I'm not sure if Tradeavate added something. So now I'm checking on that. I may have to sign something or who knows.
Like anything to slow Duane down, have him sign a disclosure agreement.
Oh man, decisions, boy. Oh, it's going down.
And it's just hanging again. The volume is so much it'll just sit for a second and it'll just spit.
Right.
Is that happening to you, G?
Yeah.
Like
it's constantly going. Like I don't even know if I should get in or not. Oh, no.
I put it on the micros so I could play around it without like getting hit too hard.
Hold on, let me go on the sim.
Yeah, so they changed everything. But we should be able to potentially log in now. Let's see.
See, look, once I stay in it, see, look at that. Yo, whenever Trump says something about terrorists, bro, it's for the. Yo,
It's not letting me log in on my Tradeify on Ninja Trader.
It's crazy. Well, it's probably.
Can you use your Apex accounts?
I can use my Apex accounts. But I wasn't trying to trade my Apex. I'm currently on Tradeivate over here. But since I haven't traded on it, it loaded with all the different things and I had to delete everything. Just stupid. Let's not do that chart. I knew something. I didn't know it was going to be terrorists, but
Well, we got out of the middle.
Going by that other pivot, by that 2547.
no, not trying to do that. Let's do. All right, so I'm in on this. What's that account number? All right.
You end up getting in, Duane, or you still?
I'm trying over here on my Tradeivate, trying to get it all set up because, as we all know, I'm not normally trading on Tradeivate.
See, like Ninja Trader's a total no-go right now, huh?
Oh, hold on, I may be good now. Let's see. That's the first time I actually popped up the We'll see you in a minute. No, it's not letting me get on the.
We're testing that bottom again. Why are we hearing about twins?
What bad? I'm sorry about that.
What the hell? I'm like, I feel like I'm doing a science class. Fraternal twins. Like, I'm good, man. I have enough children. Damn. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, just did $1,000 trade.
1,700 on that trade.
Very nice, sir.
No. This shit volatile.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That shit going down, boy. Wow.
But now it's like it's testing on that one on the low. That's weird.
Yeah, I'm done for the day, man. I'm chilling.
G's got to go buy himself a boat now.
Order filled.
I didn't even order it.
Look at,
I didn't even click nothing.
That's Duane. That's
What
Duane.
in the world? Why is a dude talking? Like you
That's
got like a
Duane.
male.
I didn't even click anything. That's crazy.
AI's gone crazy on Duane.
Let's see.
Shit. Yo, this shit is going crazy, bro. You could literally, I'm not gonna lie, I could literally get my funding account today. If
With how it, yeah.
bro, look at it. Bro, oh my, yo, this is crazy.
Where's it at?
Consolidation.
It's going down.
Well, and I was talking when I just said that, brother.
What is going? This is crazy. No, not yet. It's two, man. I'm waiting for a good, perfect entry to where it's going down. Shit, 1,300 more. Shit, I'll get my funding account. The fuck? That's crazy. Ooh, it's going down. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Damn, shit.
Where are you looking for an entry, Duane?
Right now, I'm just trying to follow the momentum here.
Yeah.
Getting ready. If we keep trying to push down,
Like, what would be your target? 'Cause that's what I'm trying to figure out. It's gonna bounce around. It is going like working its way down. But is there a spot where you feel it's gonna?
SPX.
no real target, because when this type news comes out, you can't predict a target for it.
I put in 70. How much that?
I'm just trying to get in your head your methodology. This is when I learn.
All right,
Do I have to put my hand on my face like that, like you, just to try it?
I wanted to hit 100.
No, you don't gotta do that.
You're not holding the wall, so it's not serious enough yet.
Well, I'm not in a trade yet. That's why. That's why I'm not holding the wall yet. But market completely dumping.
I doubt it.
Oh yeah.
It's like it's tariffs, but it's bad news. It's only because we're going down. It'll consolidate here, maybe. Maybe consolidate here and go down. I ain't jumping out this put. This shit's so cheap. I'm leaving that bitch for the whole day.
I just had a power spike, but I'm not in a trade.
Yeah, that's why I said I'm leaving it. I'm not selling it. I don't care.
I don't care. I'm about to sell it.
I don't care.
Oh
what
great! They're like the power spike could shut my computer off.
That's not
But
good.
I'm not in a trade, so it's not bad.
It's gonna go down even more.
I don't think it's going up. But Trump just said tariffs. How are you going up on tariffs? Why is the market going
I'm
up
gonna just
on
make
tariffs?
100 and jump in another one then. Fuck it. Duane, man, this is crazy, man.
This is tariffs.
That's 660. Duane, you was not lying. I didn't know it was do like, but yo, how long is it gonna keep up like this?
Honestly, the rest of this session is probably going to be like this.
Man, listen. So I want to see. Listen, I want to. Oh my gosh, it's going low.
Hey, look, I got all the patience
Order
in the
filled.
world because I have to boot up from scratch.
All right, I'm about to page it. Dwayne said, "Order filled. Order filled.
I wish.
Order filled." Fellas, this shit at 654.
I'm chilling. I ain't getting out of my shit. I'm debating should I get out my Tesla.
If it goes into like the 40s or the 30s, okay,
I gotta roll.
I'm trying to get back in.
I'm
Hold
just
up.
trying to get my computer
And
booted back up.
once it touches that 830, that shit moving. That shit moving.
Order filled.
$500 right there.
Oh my god.
Man, this sucks. Dwayne, say something inspirational.
Stay safe. Trump said tariffs. Make your money, boys.
Well, I guess like somebody didn't pay Duke Energy because the whole power like banked in the neighborhood and shut me off.
Damn. Oh.
Order filled.
Get greedy because you remember what you said. Remember this shit's all about rules. What it could do.
Oh my gosh. That's 1200. I'm at 2640.
Nice.
I'm talking about new.
$400 more and I could get a funding account.
Oh, that's awesome. Congrats.
$400 more. Other boy, this shit just keeps dropping.
Shit,
Get out. Wow, this is crazy. 1664. Come on, go to the 30. Yeah, 200.
100.
100.
Damn, this shit went back up.
I'm at 140. 130. 140.
Oh, you look. Oh, see, you go by the contracts. I go by. 165.
Damn, that was
Alrighty, another 500 right there.
Me and my cub. Let's go. I'm chilling in this all day. I ain't getting out. I'm just chilling, bro. Tomorrow, let me see. I want to see if they bring this market.
Oh, it's going up, huh?
No.
Pullback.
In the 40s. There you go. Drop. There you go. Drop.
Oh, sorry, 11:30. Man, I gotta get off this. Oh man.
I was booting back up and then the power spiked again, so I think I'm done too.
Jerry.
All right, gentlemen, I gotta get off. I gotta get out of here. It's been fun. Stay safe. G, don't trade too much more. And I'll see you guys on Monday.
Can you Apple Pay it?
Have a good one, guys.
Apple Pay 40?
Hey, you, Dwayne.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I just want to say thank you for everything.